This station is El Alamein train station.
شكرا. شكرا.
ما فيش مرة اشوفك الا بتعمل كده. هيكون كده ده دي. شفتها دي اساسي بقى. يمشي على الشط كده. هو هيمشي عكس. يا دوخ يمشي يقول لك على الحرف على طول. كنت بخاف لا يجي في الميه. راجعه. والله.
اللي انا شفته. ايوه ايوه.
This train will be heading towards Medina Station. Where we will be stopping for a few minutes. If this station is your destination, remember to take all your luggage and your personal belongings before leaving the train, and mind the gap between the train and the platform. If you are continuing your journey, please remain seated and do not get off the train during this stop.
الو الو
Thank you for your cooperation.
طلع طلع
We are about to reach our final destination. For your safety, please remain in your seats until the train has come to a complete stop. Dear guests, we are about to reach our final destination. For your safety, please remain in your seats until the train has come to a complete stop.
Assalamualaikum.
Mana tunjuk kau lang haram
Bas haram.
haram sawa.
Haram sasa. Pancasila. Assalam.